Okay, so President Biden signed the infrastructure bill on Monday, which will have far-reaching implications for all of us. The purpose of this video is to share where the money will be spent, to talk a little bit about the taxes that will be used to pay for this infrastructure and who's getting hit. Also, what was left out of the final tax bill, because they went back and forth for so long on so many of these concepts. And then at the end, briefly, how to invest and whether this is an investable category. Before I go any further, I am Daryl Rose, and I'm the voice behind Real Retirement Advice. I've designed this for retirees, pre-retirees, or just about anybody who wants to retire at some point and wants to enjoy safety, simplicity, and strength in their financial future. If you like what I'm doing, please like these videos and subscribe. Well, we never really know what gets into the final bill, but we know that money is going to be spent on transportation and transit, digital infrastructure and resilience, clean tech and clean energy, and water infrastructure and environmental remediation, whatever that is. How will this bill be paid for? By super wealthy people. Will anybody else be affected? Well, you may know the Roth, the Backdoor Roth conversion, which is a way for wealthy people to get money into a Roth account. Basically, if you make too much money to put money into a Roth account, you put it in an IRA, even if you don't get the deduction, and then you just immediately convert it where it grows tax-free. So looks like in about 10 years, that's not really going to be happening too often. And is anybody else making out? Well, especially in a state like Illinois, where they capped that SALT, state and local tax deduction, at $10,000 in 2017. We are getting a reprieve, so that is super cool. What did they leave out? They're not going to be touching capital gains, it looks like. There will not be a decrease in the estate and gift tax exemption, and it doesn't look like there's going to be an increase in ordinary income taxes, which is also something that is really good. When it comes to investing opportunities, there are some ETFs that are dabbling in this space. One of them I like is the ticker symbol, get ready for this, PAVE, PAVE. Keep in mind that these infrastructure funds will be doled out over a 10-year period, so it's not like all these companies get all this business and that will be reflected in the revenues and the profits. It is an investable category, and it does make sense to allocate some money to this category as a result of the new bill. So, as I always say, if you need help creating safety, simplicity, and strength in your financial life, please reach out and I'll be happy to help you.